Everything treating you well today, dear?
Couldn't be better. I'll take these, please.
Of course. Such a polite little gentleman.
Thank you kindly.
Mister, this was you, wasn't it?
I almost forgot.
You came from here with me.